Tripura. Tripura's handloom legacy is deeply embedded in the daily lives of its indigenous people. The risa, rikutu, and rignai, the three-piece attire of tribal women, are woven with bold patterns and natural dyes, expressing harmony with the land and tradition. Each motif is carefully chosen, often symbolizing prosperity, fertility, and cultural pride. The artisans here preserve age-old weaving techniques, celebrating culture with every loom beat. Presenting to you Tripura.
I now present to you Nagaland. Nagaland's attire is a bold expression of tribal identity and warrior legacy. Each tribe weaves its own shawls with distinctive colors and motifs that tell tales of valor.